The entire universe could abruptly end without warning, and there's nothing we can do about it. Hi, welcome to Our Blue Planet, my channel where we will be talking about interesting, I hope anyway, topics ranging from the deep ocean to the highest points on Earth and beyond. I hope if you get something out of the video, you will like it, comment, and subscribe, as that's going to help the channel. So in this video, I'm talking a little bit about something beyond the planet and more than a little way outside of my understanding, called false vacuum decay. I read an article about it and it just intrigued me. There was some research done around 50 years ago in quantum field theory that suggested the universe could be in a false vacuum, appearing stable, but maybe on the verge of changing to a true vacuum state. And that would be a catastrophic change in the very structure of the universe and everything in it, and therefore us. The article I read was called "Physicists Simulated a Quantum Process That Could End the Universe," and I found that on sciencealert.com if you want to go check it out. That article explained it something like this. If you imagine an area with multiple bodies of water with different depths, and beneath those is an even deeper body of water. For the sake of this argument, we'll say that the deeper one is at the lowest possible level. And if a tunnel were to form between one body of water to the deepest body of water, the higher one drains into the lower one. So if that happens in the vacuum of space, a false vacuum transitioning to a true vacuum isn't water draining, but a small point in space forming a bubble of true vacuum. And it may not stay as that small point. If it hits a critical size, it'll continue growing, expanding at the speed of light, and dragging everything it contacts into the new vacuum state. Because it would be traveling at the speed of light, there would be zero warning that it was happening, and in fact it may already be happening and we just don't know about it. It's kind of frightening to think about that some spot light years away from us is collapsing into a true vacuum, changing fundamentally everything we think we know within its boundaries, and rushing headlong toward us at the speed of light. And there's simply nothing we can do about it. We have nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. I guess the fact that we would never even know about it because it would be over before we could know about it is sort of not exactly reassuring, but maybe a small mercy? Maybe? I don't know. Anyway, I don't think it's likely to happen, so I'm just not going to worry about it. There are a few articles that I looked at talking about this. I'll put the titles below. This topic quickly outpaced my ability to follow it, but I did find it intriguing anyway. Let me know what you think. Suggest a topic I should talk about in the next one. I'm open to suggestions. And I hope you help the channel out. Like, subscribe, comment. I'll hopefully see you in the next one. Stay curious.